Nokia 6.1 Plus Review, Gorgeous Design, Stock Android. Nokia 6.1 Plus Design. Take the looks of the Nokia 6.1 Plus for instance. It is way too hard, if not impossible, to judge the smartphone as a device retailing at the price tag which it carries. One simple glance will tell you that Nokia has gone for a premium appearance for the Nokia 6.1 Plus, and voila! They managed to pull it off as well. You can accredit this to a glass finish at both the front and the back, and even the neatly placed components, including the hard keys and the camera module at the back that protrudes just about right. The fingerprint sensor below it is also optimally located for an easy operation. A particular delight about the looks of the Nokia 6.1 Plus is the slim bezel area all around the display that comes into focus as soon as you light up the screen. There is a Nokia branding at the bottom, and a small notch at the top houses the front camera and the earpiece. The overall form factor of the device is quite handy and surprisingly light too, considering the earlier version was on the heavier side by a good 20 grams. Performance. The premium appeal even extends to the performance of the smartphone. The display offers a smooth touch on a stock Android UI, so as a user, operating the smartphone is as smooth as velvet on the new Nokia 6.1 Plus. This experience is backed by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor and a 4GB RAM, a combination that worked very well for the limited tasks which we performed on the smartphone till now. An even more appealing feature, however, is the promise of regular and timely updates from Google on the Nokia 6.1 Plus as an Android One device. We will be sharing an extensive review of the Nokia 6.1 Plus performance capabilities, camera prowess as well as its battery backup soon. For now, the fact that the device comes with a USB Type-C connectivity as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack makes it an attractive proposition. Display. 8/10 LCD displays on budget smartphones are getting better by the day, and the Nokia 6.1 Plus 2 sports a great panel. With a notch in the mix, the phone sports a 5.84-inch IPS LCD panel which sports a resolution of 1080 x 2280 pixels. With a density of 432 ppi, the panel is plenty sharp. Be it photographs, video or reading text of PDF files, I had no issues with viewing content on the phone. Colors are adequately punchy and true to life. Peak brightness levels were good enough and the viewing angles were also great. I also watched hours of Netflix on the phone and can vouch for the fact that the contrast levels were great as well. The blacks may not be inky enough to hide the notch when it's not being used, while playing games or watching movies, for instance, but overall, this is certainly one of the better LCD displays you will get under 20,000 rupees. Camera. 7.5/10 The Nokia 6.1 Plus sports a dual camera setup on the rear which comprises of a 16MP f/2.0, 1.0 micron size, primary sensor with PDAF and a 5MP f/2.4 secondary, 1.12 micron, depth sensor. On the front, we get a 16MP f/2.0, 1.0 micron, sensor for selfies. Battery. 7/10 The battery life on the 6.1 Plus is good enough to last a working day. A phone charged at 9 a.m. in the morning would still have around 18 to 25% battery by midnight. A regular day's usage for me involves managing 2 email accounts on sync, a very active Telegram feed, WhatsApp, Slack, and 2 Instagram accounts. Toss into this mix 20 minutes or so I spend gaming and about an hour of Netflix. Price and verdict in India. Priced at 15,999 rupees, the Nokia 6.1 Plus does not necessarily steal away all of Xiaomi's thunder, but it certainly makes both the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Mi A2 feel dated. Barring the slightly below par camera performance, the Nokia 6.1 Plus checks all the right boxes, easily making it one of the best value phones in the market.